Hey!
You almost got a preview of coming attractions. Costume for tonight?
We have a problem with tonight.
What sort of problem?
I can't go.
Ezra.
I know. I've got a meeting in Philadelphia about ghosting, an autobiography. Actually, somebody worth writing about this time. It will pay for all of next year, but it has to be tonight.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, crap indeed. But I will make it up to you.
I know you will. I know. I just really wanted you to see my costume.
Well, I can see it tomorrow.
Playing dress up for your man on Halloween is one thing. You do it any other night, you end up on an afternoon talk show.
Depends on the costume. And besides, I've got a little bit of time now.
Great.
Early birds.
Night of the living preschoolers.